Hey everyone, welcome back to MegaVerse Builds. Today we're back at Camp Nou for another detailed construction update, taking a look at how work is progressing across different parts of the stadium. Even with challenging weather conditions, construction continues steadily. We start along the lateral side of the stadium, where structural preparation for the future roof system is becoming more evident. Large concrete elements and support components are now in place, linked to the compression ring that will eventually carry the roof. While the roof itself is not visible yet, these foundations are a critical step and signal that Camp Nou is moving closer to vertical and overhead construction. The structure continues to take shape. Stair cores and vertical supports are rising, and several columns are either being prepared for concrete pouring or having formwork removed. Each of these elements plays a key role in supporting the increased loads that will come later in the project. Moving down to the mid-level facade, insulation materials have now been installed in multiple sections. This may not look dramatic, but it's an essential stage before glass panels and exterior finishes are added. Similar work has already been completed in other areas, and this section is now following the same construction sequence, showing that the facade is nearly ready for its final layers. As we approach the south goal, internal platforms and prefabricated staircases can be seen inside the structure. Lift platforms remain active here, indicating ongoing work on access routes and internal circulation. Nearby, a concrete pump is set up, suggesting that columns or support walls are being poured to strengthen this part of the stadium before heavier installations begin. From higher up, the tribune area shows steady progress, with several rows of prefabricated seating already installed. These seating elements mark a major step toward rebuilding the stands and give a clear sense of how the stadium bowl is being reshaped. In one of the corner sections, anchor components are staged and ready for installation. Lift platforms are positioned throughout the area, and while not every element is being installed at once, the setup shows that this zone is being prepared for rapid progress. At ground level along the lateral facade, supports for the vertical louvers are clearly visible. Anchor points are already in place, and although not all louvers are installed yet, the structure is fully prepared. Toward the north goal, activity is calmer, but interior work continues on columns and support structures. These behind-the-scenes tasks are essential for long-term stability and performance. Despite the weather, this has been an important phase for Camp Nou, with key structural milestones being reached. Each step brings the project closer to the most visually impressive stages of the rebuild. Thanks for watching today's update. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to MegaVerse Builds for daily stadium and mega project coverage. I'll see you in the next build.